Okay, we've got a video about how to do the hydrant. So, get these two things from the shed. This is our nozzle for that goes on the hydrant, and then this is our tool that takes off all the stuff and turns it on. And Aaron has an easier, a more wieldy version of this in the native plant side, but this is also inside the shed. So, first thing, if this thing can't come off by hand, if you can't get it off by hand, you put this wrench right over it like so. And give it a little turn just to loosen it, and the rest you should be able to do by hand. And this guy goes on. This can be over tightened and then it kind of breaks off again, so you don't even really need to use, you usually don't need to use this guy to tighten it. But if you want to give it a tiny little nudge, sometimes that's helpful. This goes on here. So we have something like this. And we can use our leverage to tighten it. And you do the same thing when you're taking it off. This then goes on here. And then we open the hydrant. So we use this top part, and we're going to rotate it in the direction that says open this way. You will meet some resistance at some point, and then you have to kind of push through that resistance, like right here. And it'll start making noises, and then it's usually good to go about now, but you can open it up the full way. It will reach a point where it doesn't really turn anymore. Right there. All right, and then you should be good to go. This hose connects to the main hose line over there, which has two small valves on it, so you can keep those off, and now you don't have to worry about water spraying everywhere right now. We can go and turn those on when we're ready to start using the hose. To put everything away, we're just going to do that same process in reverse, but remember, you can use this guy, put it on here to, once the water's off, obviously, to get this off more easily. And that's that. Put everything back in the, put this guy back on, and then put everything back in the shed.